So over here, you can see that I got some text right here. And this is a text right here. And if I were to click on it, you can see that there's this text box right here. As I pull on this text box, you can see that the text gets aligned over here on the center. So right now, if I were to go around and click right here on this alignment, you can see that it gets aligned over here on the right hand side right here. You can also go around and click right here and it gets aligned onto the left side, as you can see right here, just like this. So it gets aligned to the left side, to the right side, just like this, as you can see. But as I keep on clicking, you see this particular text alignment right here, which are straight lines, as you can see right here. But this is more visible when you actually have multiple text. So I'm just going to go around and say, let's say, for example, change this text box like YouTube is a YouTube channel which has multimedia and general computing tutorials available for you at your convenience, just like this. And you can see everything is center aligned right now. So I'm going to go around over here, and then if I were to click on it, it's right aligned. And as I get onto this, you can see that it's arranged out in square. On the left aligned side, you can see that everything is aligned onto the left. And if I were to go around and click, everything is aligned to the center, as you can see. Click and everything is aligned to the right. And now it is justified right here. And as I pull out, you can see that the lines are arranged out just like this. So that is how you can work around with text alignment inside of Polotno Studio to get the alignment as you like. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe